your for each callback, you need to update the total count per product object using the ID of the current dessert as your property. Update the value of the property to be the current value plus 1, and do not use the addition assignment operator for this. So first we have to access the object, which would be the total count per product. And then since we are not able to use the addition assignment operator, which is this one, we just have to add the object plus 1 as an alternate solution. So get rid of that plus and leave the equal sign. And then also copy the object, which is the total count per product, and add by 1. So we add by 1, and then we are able to update this one by assigning to the object. Excuse me. Now, since we did add by 1, but JavaScript won't be able to understand that, because what is it trying to add to it? So we have to add the ID of the desert of our property as our property. Pardon my French. And then we are able to access the desert, which is this one, with the use of bracket notation. So bracket notation, and inside of it would be the placeholder desert, and then the property ID. Do the same in this part. Bruh. Now you might be asking, why did we use the bracket notation rather than the dot notation? That is because bracket notation is used to access a property dynamically. And if it's dynamic, it would mean that it would change anytime. It would vary anytime. And that is the same with our placeholder dessert, because it would that would mean it would check each dessert added to the item. So it's imperative to know that it would change each time we add an item. So that is why we use the bracket notation rather than the dot notation. So that's basically it. Nice.